Your words can either make you or it can break you. I remember I was in Bangalore on an official trip. I stayed there for about 2 to 3 months. So my schedule was like this. I would go to office on a weekdays, and every weekend I would go to visit some place within South India along with 4 of my friends. And I remember we decided that we will be on a mission to explore entire South India. The best kind of cuisines, the best places to visit. So we were like going everywhere. On every weekend we have a fixed driver with the car who would simply call us, and we will decide abruptly and we will go on a trip. So one odd weekend, I remember we decided to go to Puducherry. As you might know that Puducherry is one of the beautiful city in Tamil Nadu. We deliberately planned this because we wanted to swim in the sea and we wanted to enjoy the beautiful cuisines, and we knew for a fact that there are lots of French who stays there. We wanted to understand their culture and everything. And we embarked on our journey to Puducherry, and I remember that we also happened to visit Mysore. We visited Mysore Palace and we enjoyed the cuisine there, and it was all fun, and we were going like gaga over that trip. I remember we all were singing different songs, along with the driver making some move, and my other friends were enjoying alcohol. So I was enjoying coconut water, and it was all fun. As soon as we were about to reach Puducherry, we felt as if some breezy wind is coming just because of it was a coastal area. And I remember we met with an accident. I stuck my head on the ceiling light on the car because I was sitting at the back side, and so as you might know that whenever you meet with any minor or any accident, the major impact goes at the backside, especially when your car goes in a dig. I felt as if something has happened to me, but I could not realize. We started to enjoy again, and as soon as we moved on, I realized that drops of blood were dripping from my head, and I was scared to see the blood. And as soon as all of my friends noticed that, they asked the driver to stop the car. We all came out of the car. One of my friends washed my head with the water and put a handkerchief on my head so that he could stop the blood. And we all were like kind of bewildered and scared as what to do because we could not find any nearby hospital. So we happened to take help from a local person and inquired about any nearest hospital. Fortunately, the driver ran us to a hospital, and we found some very hospitable staff, doctors, nurses. They treated us like foreigners. I have never got such an amazing service in my life as I got in that government hospital in Puducherry. So I remember they asked me to take an injection and 2 tablets, and the lady nurse sent me to the doctor. She asked that there will be 2 stitches in your hand because it is wounded quietly, and I was very scared. You know what? Why I was scared? Because I was thinking to myself that I came to Puducherry to enjoy with all of my friends, and just because of this scars, just because of this wound, I will not be able to swim. I will not be able to enjoy with my friends. I'll just simply stay in the hotel and ask my friends to enjoy, and I will just come back to Bangalore. Those kind of thoughts were going in my mind because I thought just because of me entire trip will get spoiled. But I remember I met with the doctor, and that doctor stitched my head with 2 stitches, and he gently put his head on my shoulder, and he said, "Young man, I know that you told me that you are here to visit Puducherry. Don't you worry. You will go ahead and enjoy. Nothing has happened to you. It's a minor wound. It will heal. Go ahead, enjoy your trip." I remember those doctors' words were like an antidote to all the negative feelings that I had in my mind. I remember I was feeling so scared and so spoiled before I met that doctor. But as soon as I had that small conversation with the doctor, and as soon as he gave the words of assurance, I felt a kind of adrenaline rush within my body. I felt so excited. I felt so energized. I felt as if I'm going to win. You would not believe. I thoroughly enjoyed that trip. I swam in the sea. I enjoyed the cuisine. I went to different beaches. I played a lot of games. I did everything. I did not even feel a pinch of pain in my head. Something has happened biologically. And you would not believe, I came back to Bangalore after a week. I got those stitches removed from my head, and it's been almost 7 to 8 years. I have not felt any problem in my world. It is absolutely fine. What I realized that your words can make you or break you. Similarly, your words can make anyone or break anyone. If you have an opportunity to help anyone, to uplift anybody's spirit, don't leave that opportunity. Say something. Your words of assurance can uplift somebody's spirit. Your words of assurance can save someone from sinking into darkness. Your words of assurance can take somebody from darkness to light. I felt as if I was going to sink into darkness, but just after that small conversation of the doctor, I felt so fantastic that I did everything. I enjoyed everything in the way actually I wanted. So next time when you meet someone, don't leave this opportunity to exchange your good words to help them come out of the darkness and go to the light. I hope this story of mine was worth to you. In case if you have any questions or you have such kind of stories, I would like you to drop them in the comment section. So this is your friend Tausif Hasan signing off until we meet.